Hello students, so this is a quick guide to CS2. CS2 is an extended version of CS1, so it's very important that you all have the knowledge of the entire CS1 syllabus before you start with your CS2 journey. It consists of 21 chapters, and these 21 chapters of CS2 is divided into 4 parts while we teach. So we divided into 4 parts while teaching. The first part consists of the stochastic processes, Markov chain, Markov jump, two-state model. The second part consists of the survival models like estimating future lifetime, then we have graduation, then we have exposed to risk. So these chapters, proportional hazard model, so these are very interesting, easy, and again it's very scoring. The third part consists of the CT6 portions, which includes your loss distribution, reinsurance, time series, risk models. So it can be a little trickier, and it's very important from the R programming point of view as well. So make sure you do proper R programming for part 3, and then part 4 again consists of all the new chapters, which is modality projection, Copilla's EVT, and machine learning. Again, very important from R programming point of view, very interesting, and it has a very good real life application as well. The part 1 which I was mentioning, stochastic processes, can be a little trickier, a little difficult at the start, but it's very interesting. So make sure you give proper time to CS2. Thank you.